It's 11:32 a.m., which means that in just about 28 minutes from now, Delhi will get its 7th Chief Minister, the youngest up till now. Arvind Kejriwal, the former Revenue Services officer, is going to be the Chief Minister of Delhi. What you see right now are live images that we are getting. One from Ramlila Maidan, where an eager, expectant crowd is waiting for their Chief Minister-elect. On the other side is the CM himself. We know it will be very difficult for you to spot him in this absolute sea of people. But the images you're seeing on your right are from the Barakamba metro station, where Arvind Kejriwal and a few of his minister-elects have deboarded from the metro and are now going to take a car all the way to Ramlila Maidan. What a reception, what frenzy surrounding these people. They have tapped into the aspiration, the anger of a young, angry, hopeful middle class. In fact, people across Delhi, irrespective of religion, caste, class, have voted for this young, just one-year-old party. In fact, joining me live from Ramlila Maidan is my colleague Preeti Chaudhary. She has with her member of the Aam Aadmi Party who's travelled all the way from Mumbai to attend the swearing-in ceremony, Mayank Gandhi. Preeti, over to you.
Well, thank you, Padmaja. You know, Padmaja, I just want to start with just showing our viewers on the crowds that's surging in at the Ramlila Maidan. I'll ask Kripalji, a camera person, to actually give you a sense of what the crowds are. And believe us, you know, there are many we know right now standing outside just waiting to get in. We were walking through these crowds asking them, there is a sense that this is their yes we can moment. We also have Mayank Gandhi, who's come all the way from Mumbai. Mayank, congratulations. You know, my first question, I want you to look behind. And what do you see? Reassuring, yes, but how scared are you? This is a burden of expectations nobody would have anticipated.
All I can say is, if these many people have come, it is not because of it, is because of something that is happening in this country. So I think whatever is happening in this country, I think is happening for the best. We'll just go with the wave and we'll try to do the best that we can.
You know, Mayank, 8 months back, many of you know, it's life come full circle. This agitation started right here. And today, who would have known that you would be standing here and taking oath to form government? You've been called so many names. Gutter snipes for one. Do you think this is the day of the gutter snipe?
I would not, at this day, I do not want to react to that. But I think this country, there is real hope that this country will change. And I hope that that hope is not belied at all. And we all must try and work maybe 10 times more. But this hope, this expectation, the Aam Aadmi really wants something in his life and is looking forward that this party and this group will change it. We have to be extremely careful not to take any steps which will shake their confidence.
You know, that's what I want to come to, Mayank. You know, as we walk through these crowds, you know, these are not organized crowds. You know, one can sense it, and we must give the Aam Aadmi Party that due. But having said that, there are people here from Bihar, Uttarakhand, you know, there's a whole contingent back there from Haryana. I'm sure you've also walked through it, you know it. Now, what about 2014? You're at the threshold of this election. So what are you thinking of? How are plans going to change? Are you going to honor the wishes of these people?
I'm just saying that if Narendra Modi is going to win, is the thought in your mind. 5 months is a long time. I have travelled in the villages, I have travelled across the country, and what I could see on the last days of the Delhi campaigning, I'm already seeing it there. So this country is in for a real change. Aam Aadmi Party has been underestimated again and again, and I think everyone's underestimated.
I'm sure nobody's going to take that risk again of underestimating. You know, they can only do it at their own expense. So, you know, you said something important. So are you saying the Aam Aadmi Party is going to go full surge come 2014? What are you looking at?
Absolutely. This country needs to change, and the faster the better. And if the people want it, so be it. Everything has happened because the people wanted it. It was not our political goal or desire to come to power. I think this is a platform which everyone has come and taken it. And look at the size of this platform. It's growing by the day.
But a lot will happen in 2014 will depend, Mayank, on how you deliver in Delhi, wouldn't it? And you promised a lot.
Again, I think this country is underestimating us. If Rabdi Devi can rule, Arvind is going to rule brilliantly. And we have done due diligence of all that we have committed. And you will see soon that everything will start happening. This country is in for a roller coaster ride.
Well, good luck. This country is in for a roller coaster ride. Maybe we see the first glimpse right behind us here at the Ramlila Maidan. Any minute now, we'd like to tell our viewers, Arvind Kejriwal would be walking in. We know he has already reached the venue. He's just a little away, but Trust Headlines today to get you the ringside view, the vantage point of getting you all the developments right here from the Ramlila Maidan. So do keep tuned in.